welcome back to Jagadamba Pearls. So today I am going to show you the wedding collection which we have inspired from the Indian weddings, which we call it as Wedspirations.
So these are the fancy chains with the lightweight concept with the exclusive chains. In this with the emerald, South Sea pearls, rubies, South Sea pearls, and here is the small tiny pearls which called Bashara, and with the combination of emeralds. These are the fancy chains with the different weights. Whatever the thing is done in this, all are 22 karat gold with the hallmark jewelry.
So you can see guys, beautiful set this is with South Sea pearls and also with the emerald stones, you can see, and this is completely customizable, and this is in 2 layers. If you want in 3 layers or single layers also it is available. And here you can see it is with a gold chain. And if you want this to be customized, you can contact us or you can visit our store. And coming to this particular beautiful set, it is 3 layered rubies and also South Sea pearls. And let me give you a brief about the gold weight. So coming to our first set, the gold weight it is.
In this, the gold weight it's carrying 31.3 grams of gold weight, and the South Sea pearl is 66.2 carats, and emerald weight is 78 carats, and this is in 22 carat hallmark it is.
And coming to this particular beautiful set, and this can be completely customizable, and this is with ruby stones and South Sea pearls, and this is in 3 layers. And let me give you a brief about the gold weight.
In this, weight is carrying 32.884, nearly 33 grams of gold weight is there, and the pearl weight is 92 carats, ruby weight is 380 carats.
And this is a simple yet completely designed set. You can see this is pure pearls. This is natural pure pearls.
Bashara pearls.
Bashara pearls. So these pearls are called as Bashara pearls. And this is with the emerald tiny gemstones. This is completely carved and yet beautiful set, you can see. And this is in completely layered design. And if you want only few layers like 3-4 lines also, you can customize it, and the set looks completely unique and very trending. And this complete sets which I am showing today is for wedding season, the special wedding season which we have inspired from the weddings, and we call it the Wedspiration. And you can see this beautiful set. This is of big South Sea pearls and also the ruby stones, and with the Nakshi twisted balls, and completely carved and beautiful. And coming to the weight of this particular chains, it is.
And in this Bashara pearls chain, the gold weight is carrying 19.72 grams, and emerald weight is 5.1 carat, and the Bashara pearl weight is 45.600 carats. And in the ruby and South Sea pearl chain, 42 grams of the gold weight is there, and 211 carats of the pearls, and 128 carats of the ruby weight is there including in this.
And coming to these 3 beautiful sets, it can be worn by men and women, and it can be customized into layers, different layers, 1 layer or 3 or 2 according to your wish. And if you want to try this at home, you can try this by fixing an appointment. You can contact us by checking the number in the description. You can also visit our store, and we are taking all the safety measures. And if you want to be customized also, you can contact us, and there is an offers and discount. If you contact us, you can know the price and offers and the discounts as well.